Yeah, basically we have 9 essential metrics to start working some strategies. For example, we have new customers. The new customers are the number of people that has a dual registration in the last 12 months, basically, and do a purchase. The new subscribers are those customers in that registration get the authorization for be contacted by email or by telephone. Basically, this is the opt-in, and basically this is very important for marketing campaigns. And also we have the active customers, that is the sum of the new customer plus the registered customers. Here in the you can see how much people are active. And here I want to tell about the filtering, because all these metrics are have some filters that basically we have some fixed filters. For example, the current year, the previous year, the current month, the current quarter, but also having a custom where you can define the initial date and the end date, and with that you can see all these metrics in any period you want.
Hmm.
The retained customers are those customers that do a registration previous the last 12 months and start a kit buying today. For example, so a customer that buy in 2017 or 2018 that's still buying in 2022. That is a retained customer. A lost customer is a customer that basically stopped buying 1 year ago, exactly 1 year ago. The last purchase was 1 year ago. Basically today is inactive. That's a lost customer. This gives you the exact numbers or what is happening with your database, but the most important one are the rates. The acquisition rate, for example, is let you know how much of your database is come from the acquisition of the new registrations. And for that, basically, is the new customers divided by active customers. We have the retention rate, basically is taking the retained customers divided by active customers, and this let you know how much of your database is composed by the retained customers. The churn rate, it takes the lost customers divided by active customers, and this tells you how much of your database represents the loss of customers. And we have the lifetime value. The lifetime value is basically taking all the purchase per year and all the registrations per year, and having with that you have a value that tells you how much each customers of your database is worth.
Got it. Okay. And for those who are watching, there's a lot of information coming at you right now. You can also hover over any of the metrics in the dashboard, and it will tell you just exactly what Santiago's described here. So it'll give you the calculation of how these ratios are formulated, or what the difference is between a new customer and a subscriber, for example. Now, Santiago, I wanted to ask a little bit about lifetime value. Can you tell me a little bit about how somebody would use that? What does that look like in terms of value?
Yeah, the lifetime value is usually is a tool for to know how much your brand worth. That means, for example, if you have 1,000 customers, 1,000 users, and you have a lifetime value of 100, that means that your database worth 100,000. And basically, with this, you can when you are positioning your brand, this is a very important indicator to tell, hey, my brand is very powerful because it's worth this. That's something that I also seeing an increasement in this lifetime value. That means that you are doing the things well, generating more profitability to your business.